With both Vybz Kartel and Beenie Man claiming to be the king of dancehall, we decided to look at the figures and tell you who is the real king of Jamaican music. Welcome to this another JamFit video. Before we get into the video, please remember to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. JamFit, spreading the Jamaican culture a yard and abroad. Now, nobody can deny the heights that Bob Marley has taken Jamaican music, but we decided to look at the Spotify streaming figures and we will reveal who is number one. In number 10, we have Conscience. Conscience has amassed a total of 913 million streams on Spotify. In number 9, we have Vybz Kartel, the world boss. Vybz Kartel has had 930 million to his name. In number 8, we find the talented Lila Ike. Lila Ike has a total of 1.4 billion streams. In number 7, we find the unruly boss Popcorn. Popcorn has a total of 1.5 billion streams to his name. Coming in number 6, we have Junior Gong Damian Marley. Damian Marley has amassed a total of 1.6 billion streams. And making it into the top 5 and into the 2 billion club is Omi. Omi has a total of 2.1 billion streams. In 4th place, we find Russian. Russian has amassed a total of 2.3 billion streams. 7 down, 3 to go. Let's now discover the big 3 of Jamaican music. Number 3, we find Mr. Boombastic Shaggy. Shaggy has a total of 3.5 billion streams. In number 2, we find the never fading Bob Marley and the Wailers. Bob Marley has amassed a total of 8.4 billion streams. And the crown of the king of Jamaican music, based on listenership, goes to Sean Paul. Sean Paul has a stratospheric 10.8 billion streams on Spotify. So, what do you think of these top 10 musicians and singers? Let me know in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to JamFit as we celebrate the Jamaican culture, a yard and abroad.